Hello, Nate here from Viking Masek. Today I will show you how to use the jog button on the Viking premade 8S simplex machine. The jog button is a useful feature that comes standard on our full-size premade pouch machines. With the push of a button, you can manually advance the machine. It's an awesome tool for setting up the machine and adjusting it to maintain peak operating performance. First, before we get started, take a moment, hit pause, and read our safety notice. Now, let's get to it. Installing the jog button is super fast and easy. First, plug the jog button into its receptacle on the side of the machine's electrical cabinet. Then, locate and enable manual mode on the HMI by resetting the machine to a ready state and touching the manual mode button. When the manual mode is enabled, the button turns red. You can monitor the current virtual cam position by looking at the bottom left corner of the HMI. When you let go of the button, the machine will stop. The jog button is a great tool for examining the processes of the machine stations and amending the timing of the processes to fine-tune machine performance. Use the counter as a reference to change electronic machine functions using the PLS page, or adjust the timing and test mechanical functions. By lowering the machine's cycle rate, you can slow down how fast the machine does the process while using the jog button. This allows you to examine the mechanical processes in slow motion. However, proper adjustment of the PLS timings that activate pneumatic-driven functions will need to be adjusted at the needed speed. And that's how you use the jog button. Feel free to check out our other videos and more information at vikingmasek.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If needed, don't hesitate to contact us with the numbers at the end of this video. After all, your success is our success. Till next time, happy packaging.